Now we will understand the report writing process. It involves various steps. These steps are as under. First is understanding the purpose and scope of report. Second step is conduct research, gather and organize information. Then the next step is creating an outline. Then writing a first draft report. Fifth step in report writing process is proofreading, revising and editing report. And the final step in report writing process is finalize and submit. We will discuss each of these steps one by one. The process of report writing involves several stages that are necessary to ensure that the report is well structured, informative, and easy to understand. Now, the first step is understanding the purpose and scope of report. This is the first crucial step in report writing process. The purpose of a report is the reason why the report is being written. Generally, the purpose of a report is to provide information or to analyze data, to record events and happenings, to describe problems and suggest solutions, to give feedback, suggestions, or recommendations on a specific topic or issue. The scope of a report refers to the specific topic or topics or areas that the report will cover. The scope of the report can be broad or the scope can be narrow. It depends on the topic and the purpose of the report. A report with a broad scope may cover a wide range of topics, while a report with a narrow scope will focus on a specific topic in great detail, such as a marketing plan. In the first step of report writing, you have to ask yourself questions like what is the goal of this report and who is the intended audience for the report. This will help you to tailor your writing to meet the needs and expectations of your readers. Now, the second step in report writing process is conduct research, gather and organize information. When you have completed the first step of report writing process, that is when you have identified the purpose and scope of your report, it is time to gather and organize the information. How to gather information? You can gather information from various sources such as books, documentaries, research documents, journal articles, online databases, interviews, as well as any relevant emails and memos, etc. Please note that you have to collect only the relevant information. You have to evaluate the reliability and credibility of each source from where you have obtained the information. It is done to ensure that you are using trustworthy information. As you gather information, keep detailed notes and cite your sources accurately. Then whatever information you have gathered and you have analyzed the same, you have to organize this information in a logical and orderly manner so that the reader can quickly understand the main points. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.